An exhibition defining the future of Russian agriculture was held on the vast expanses of the Don fields. We are proud that our company, together with DJI, were the first who introduced industrial solutions for the development of the agricultural industry of our motherland. The Agras MG-1P drone presented by us is the most advanced model.
She didn't know my name. She didn't know my name. Oh, Lord, I woke up this morning and I was feeling bad. Oh, babe, I was feeling bad.
This drone already demonstrates capabilities that recently seemed fantastic. Many specialists from various farms and large companies highly appreciated the efficiency and reliability of advanced DJI technology.